AK on some niggas. They'll do it to me? Shit. Ain't no secret. Y'all know what they do in New Orleans. Y'all heard about them in Chicago. Shit.
Probably still sobbing about this show. Like, I bet every time the person who watches thinks of it, their heart aches.
Okay, this is Cosmic Howl. Cosmic Howl. Cosmic Howl. Cosmic Howl. At Meow. Meow. How you pronounce it? Meow Wolf?
Meow Wolf.
Meow Wolf. I know it's over there by Bronco Stadium.
It's off by...
Right behind Bronco. I-70. Right behind Bronco Stadium. You go through that walk. Yeah. You walk through that, walk through where the fans and stuff be at, and you walk through that.
Only about $40.
Yeah. Okay. I know where it's at, but I didn't know what they do there, like theaters.
Art gallery. It's an interactive 3D. It's called immersive. You know what that is?
Okay. This is Cosmic Howl. Meow Wolf is a interactive 3D theater. Interactive 3D theater.
Okay, this is my favorite engine because they have the in the eye of the storm decal.
Meow Wolf makers.
Because I was thinking about this truck last night before I went to sleep.
This is the schedule of Meow Wolf.
Engine number 3 is my favorite.
Some of your strange and beautiful side at Meow Wolf.
And it usually has some hot ass dudes get after the motherfucker too, so
I think we're backwards today.
Came out. God damn it. You got me. Excuse my language, that was terrible.
Let me hit the wax.
Give that to him. And that's him participating.
Meow. Cosmic. The Cosmic Howl, Meow Wolf.
So the story is that
At the Meow Wolf, the Meow Wolf. Go through it again.
That is the alleged official
I
story.
This is
for a couple hours.
the scan barcode.
Depending on where they put you.
Meow Wolf, Meow Wolf, Meow Wolf. Meow Wolf, Meow Wolf, Meow Wolf.
Yeah, I know.